So this is Southbound by the Allman Brothers. We're going to start out like this. Okay, so that's our intro solo. We're going to have that second string, 11 and 13 twice. Two bends on the little 13, so we got. Okay, so we had. And then two bends. Then we're going little 11 to 13 on the second, to two 11s, and then we're going to slide that 13 down. So we have. Okay, now we're going to slide into the 11 with the first finger. I want to do 11, 13, 13 again, but we're going to go with the slide in this time. So we got. Okay, then we're going to follow that up with. Okay, so look at that real slows. Okay, so the whole thing so far we got. Okay, now we're going to add to that. We got. Okay, so we start with the 13, down to the first string. So. And when we bend that one, we let it come down without hitting again. So we got. See how I let it bend back up without striking it again? Then you get that little 11 to the 13 on the second. This one starts bent, and you let it go down and come back up. Then you go first finger bend on that 11 to a regular 11. Back to that 13, and that 13 on the second string is your root note. That's a C note right there. And we're in the key of C. 12-bar blues in C, basically, southbound. So once again, we got. Okay, so that one had the downward bend. Back up, and then 11. Now we're going to wait a second, do a little rake. So you're going to kind of rake across the strings and get this 12 on the G string. Tiny bend on that little 11 back to our root note. Now we're going to take this 12, go quickly to the 10 on the G string. To that 8, 10 on the D, 10 on the A. So once again, we got. Okay, so we had that. Okay, so after we get that slide down, then we're going to hit the 10 again. Then 8 to 10, so dum da dum, another 10, then 8, 10. 8, 10 twice here. 8, 11 twice here. Two little 8s, and we're getting to the end of this little quick solo. So we got. We're going to hold that a little bit, and then quick hammer on, pull off, 8, 11 on the second string. 10 on the G. 8 to 8, second to third string. Little pull off on that G string, 10 to 8. Little bend on it. Get that 5-chord root note. There's your G7 turnaround at the end there. That's why they end on that one a lot. So the end of this again is. Okay, so I'll do the whole solo one more time again. Okay, then we're gonna be in a C7 chord. Now I'm suggesting a jazz way of playing this. Has no fifth in it, so it doesn't have that power chord part with that note. It has that fifth down here in this higher range, so it's more spacious, it's more airy. It's like kind of a good jazz inversion for a C7 here. So I've got the bass note C, then I'm not playing anything on the A, I'm muting that. And then I've got the other notes of that C7, if you notice, 8, 9, and 8, going from the D string down to the B. So I've got those with the bass note. And we're gonna kind of slide into this. So the verse of the Southbound is gonna be 3, 4. Here I have F7, so that's 8, 7, 8, 6. That's the 4 chord. Back to the C7. And then the 10th fret bass is our G7. F, C. Okay, let's try that. So it's a 12-bar blues. We go C7 4 times, 4 bars. Then we go to the F7, 2 bars. 2 more back to the 1 chord, the C. Then our turnaround, 5 chord, 1 bar, 4 chord, 1 bar, 1 chord for 2 bars. That's our 12-bar blues. So 2, 3, and. Okay, and so in the beginning of the song down there, you're gonna have 2 verses through like that. Then we're gonna get into the big Southbound riff. Okay, and that just goes through the blues changes. So we have 8, 8, 7, 7, and then we have 8, 9, 10. So it's, and then we have 7, 8, 9, 10, quick on the D string. So. And you definitely want to have down, up on your picking on that D string. So. Okay, so let's try that. 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to start on this F here, 8th fret of the A string. 3, 4. Do this twice. And then back to the C. 3 and 4 and. Now we're going to have G once through, to the F once through, to the C twice through. So 3 and 4 and. Okay, so it is a lot faster. It's like 3 and 4 and. Okay, now we're going to move into the next solo. Okay, so this next solo is going to come in with. Okay, so we start with 11, 13. A couple 11s down here, kind of slight bends maybe. So that was 13, 11, 13. Kind of a slow hammer here. And then a bend. Then we're going to go. So we have bend on that 13. 13, 11. 13 to 211, so it's... And then a couple of those root notes here. So we have a hammer and a bend. So once again, this is going to go. So we have hammer and bend. And then we have an extra 11 there. And then... So we're going to have a downward bend on this 13. So we got... And then we double hit the 11. So this was a downward on the 13. 11, 13, another bend on the 13. So bend the 11 first finger. Back to 11. And then 13, 11, pull off. And that little phrase ends with... Kind of have a couple 11s to a 13. So once again, we got... We have a quick 13, 11, 13. And then we have... So 11, 13, 11, 13, bend it. Then we have a 15 to 11 pull off. So it's... So dee-da-da-bum. So this is going to end with... So it's dee-da-dee-dee-da-dee-da. Got that quick one. So we got to pull off here. Go to that 5 chord again. Okay, so that's kind of the end of the solo, so we're going to break that down here. We're going to have, we ended on this 5 chord note kind of, and then we're going to go. Okay, so just follow the tabs on this. We're going to have. And then we're going to have. So that's kind of a quick one there, so we got. This one has a dum dum da dum da da dee and then we go 8 10 8 11 little 8 8 11 bend that 11 to 11. So once again we got and then 8 11 8 and then we do a faster one after that. So we have we get, and then we start a repeating phrase. This is real Dickey Betts stuff right here. We got, so this is 11, 11, hammer on pull off to the 11 on the second. And we repeat that a bunch of times. And when it's done, you got to listen to it. You hear the turnaround coming and everything. There's a certain amount after that. So you got to kind of practice it out and kind of time how many there is. But it ends with a bend, 11, kind of come down the scale. You got 8, 8, 11, 11. Kind of an extra one on that. To 10, 8, 8. Kind of a pull off, boom, 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 boom. Ends with like a 10, 8, 10 there. So it's. Okay, then you're back into another verse. So we did all that. We got the riffs again. I got one more solo here for you at the end. So there's a guitar solo goes through a few times. So I've got the last part of it. So there's 2 progressions of guitar solo that I didn't do, but you could kind of improvise. You know, you got your C minor pentatonic he's using. You got your C minor pentatonic where it combines positions, lets you get to that high bend note, you know. So moving on to this next part, it's gonna go. Okay, so we got, starts out with an 8 to 10 on the G. So the third 11 on the second string. And then we hit it again when it's up there. So it's, and then 11, 11, 11 to 8 on the G. And then, now this time we go. So at the end of that, we got the bend on that one. Got that little 11 down, so we got. Then we have the last part of this solo into the outro of the song. We got. So we have a little 8, slide the 11 into the 13, which is the same note as that 8. Go 13, 11, and back to the G string for that quick kind of slide down. So we get. So that did it again. But this time we go 10, little bend on this 8 here. We go to that again. We have 3 little notes here, and then we have a triplet kind of ending. So 13, 11, 13, and then the triplets are going to start. That's 11 on the second, 12 to 10. We got 8, 10, 8, so we got 1 and 2 and then 3 and keep going up the scale. Okay, so it ends up being. And then the whole band kind of hits with these triplets. Okay, so that is 8, 11, 10, then 8, 8, 10, then 10, 8, 8, and then 10, 10, 8, 7. So check out the tab on that. Once again, on this end of this, we got. The last thing we do is kind of go this 2 on the G. We do the C octaves here. So you got 3 on the A string, 5 on the G string. So just does a little bit of that. Okay, so once again, this whole last solo was.